My bad. Well, it is the holiday season, right? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're gonna review the Jordan 11 Cherries. Now, if you watch the channel, I think a couple of videos ago I told y'all that like I'm off with 11s. Aww. Midnight Navy, Jeter joints, 72 and 10s. I had them all, bro. The only ones I decided to keep was the red ones because it's something about the glossiness of the red hitting on these patent leathers. I even got rid of my breads. And y'all know, that's a no-no for me. Black and reds, anything 1 through 14 is something I keep. But these red and white joints, man, it just screams Christmas. Got the candy cane look. It's about time we got a holiday Jordan 11 for the holidays. It's always a holiday sneaker, but it's never looked like Christmas. And these scream Christmas. So, I got these from my friends over there at In Clothing. This is not an ad, but whenever I know something's going to be hard to get in the States, I always go to In Clothing. So I knew I won this raffle days before they drop because I know how drops been lately. You seen what we had to go through with the lost and founds, the lobster joints, which I got coming, review on the way, and the Travis joints that just came out the other day. It's getting bad, man. The drops are getting bad, but believe it or not, these weren't too bad. And ever since that fight years ago, Jordan 11s they've been coppable. You still just can't run and get them, but they've been coppable. I've been talking too much. Let's unbox these, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get that classic Jordan 11 box. If you a sneakerhead for a while like me, you remember the pull tab with the hard plastic around it with the numeral 11. That was dope. But I don't mind this classic box also. So it's all glossy. The top is black. The bottom is gray. You don't even get the pull tab circle. Usually you still was getting the pull tab circle here even though you couldn't pull. But I don't see that on here. The top reads Jordan Air. Or your bells and whistles at the bottom in the gray. It reads Air Jordan 11 Retro. White, Varsity, Red, Black. Flip open the lid. No quality control stamp like you usually see in the Jordan 1s. It is an extra sticker here, but like I told you, I got it from In Clothing. So that might be the taxes and the duties and all that. You know, the UK brand in there. Back to that nice black, shiny tissue paper. I really think this protects your sneaker more than just that regular white. So I like this. And let's start with the left shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Jordan 11 Retro Cherries. Patent leathers. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful patent leather, guys. I can't front on this patent leather. This is a beautiful patent leather, guys. No glue stains, no cracks, no scratches, all the way around, beautiful. All right, the bottom, classic Jordan 11. This little white toothpaste look we get here is seen on every Jordan 11. It does get dirty, but something about this material lets you wipe it right off, and I love that. Your bottom here, it looks translucent, but gives you that light blue look also. So I kind of like it. Kind of look like it glows, but it doesn't. And that's all the way up here, acting as if it's a mud guard. All the way around. And the inside here, that domino checkerboard effect here lets you know this is a Jordan 11. Super dope. You got a big red Jordan Jumpman here, and over the years they've been messing with this. We had a metallic one, we had a silver one. I like just the red here. In the back here, you got the 2-3. I remember when this 2-3 first came out, it was supposed to be like supersonic, super dope look there on the soft liner here, man. I don't remember Jordan 11 being this soft in the inside, guys. Look at the plushness. Your tongue, classic mesh. On the whole top piece, classic mesh Jordan 11. They didn't mess with this at all. I kind of would have liked to see them put red here on the shoelace holders, giving it more of a candy cane feel. I just feel like it's too much white up here. And let's keep it what it is, man. Jordan 11, I used to say Jordan 11 lows are for women and kids. But Jordan 11s are becoming the kid shoe, and ain't no kid keeping this white clean. In pictures, it looked more gray. So I was kind of feeling it, but this is definitely white, guys. Right there, you got your classic Jordan logo in the middle with a mini Jordan tag there. I almost said mini Jordan swoosh. Yeah, man, and that's the top, the mid, and the bottom. Oh, everyone loves this, man. But this looks different to me. I don't really remember seeing like it looking translucent with a Jordan at the bottom right here. I mean, yes, the technology's always been the same here, but that looks new to me. Your insole has a red Jordan, man. Well, I mean, red inside with a white Jordan, man. And instead of coming with that hard plastic, if y'all remember Jordan 11s, you just got hard tissue paper. Remember we used to get the hard plastic with the same color as the sneaker? We just got a regular tissue paper here. Both shoes here in hand. Nothing's changed. Everything is similar. Nothing's changed on left or right. Yeah, guys, so this is the holiday special. I mean, this is the review on the Jordan 11 Cherries. Let me know if you cop. I'm not going to lie. Some JD Sports, people are still walking in and walking out depending on sizes. GOAT has these for about $280 to $300. Retail was $244 from In Clothing. I think it might have been like $5, $10 cheaper in the US. So not that bad for go $40 over for a sneaker that you really want. Far as sneaker of the year, I think this might fail depending on how many numbers you do. Like if you do top 10, it might ease in. But if you go top 5, I don't see these making it. But far as the quality, fire. They didn't rush these, man. From top to bottom, man, my pair is pristine. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.